Hey, today I wanted to take you into our workshop. Wanted to take a moment to show you how to clean your windows after they've been installed. Let's meet up with Jerry.
Hi, my name is Jerry with Reliable. Today we're going to be going over cleaning instructions for your new Anlin products. What we have here, and I give a can of this with every customer, it's a spray away glass cleaner. This stuff is amazing. It's not real assaulting on the nose. It doesn't smell bad. But what's most important is this guy right here. It says ammonia free. And what that does is the ammonia, if you look in here, basically you have two pieces of glass, and in the middle you have your super spacer, and then we fill up our glass with argon gas. So what happens is if you use the ammonia glass cleaner, it will cause the glass to separate. Then you lose your argon, and then you get the condensation in between the glass. If you can wipe the condensation off from the inside, you can wipe it off from the outside, that's okay. But what's not okay is when you can't wipe it off, period. That's bad. So this is what we like you to use to clean the glass. As for stuff that you can't get off of the glass, smudges, paint, stuff like that, you'll see some other people and they use razor blades on the glass. That's an absolute no-no. What you want to use is a magic eraser. Those work great. The reason why you don't want to use razor blades is you have the low E coating on the outside of the glass, and what that is, that's super fine thin metal, and a razor blade, well, it'll scratch it. And you spend a lot of money on these windows, you don't want to scratch your glass. So no razor blades. Another thing I want to go over is with your windows here, you have these tracks here. Same thing with your door. About twice a year, you want to get like a wet rag, just wipe it out the track, unlock your window, wipe out the other side. Now if you have an XX like this, where they open from both sides, you want to wipe out both tracks, just to get all the dust and debris. And the reason why we do this, let me flip it around so I can show you. You have these weep holes here. I don't know if you can see it down there, but they're little holes in the window. Those are supposed to be there. So the water hits the glass, it runs down here. You might see a little bit of water in the track during a heavy rain, but what happens is the water is supposed to flow out. So what happens is the dust gets built up, mixed in with, dust, stuff like that, clogs your weep holes. Then you get water inside your home.